Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will introduce to you the present continuous. Okay, so how to use the present continuous or the present progressive in the affirmative form. So are you ready? Let's start. The present continuous is used for an action which is happening now and has not yet completed, which means still continuing in present. Okay, here are some keywords to use with the present continuous. Today, now, right now, still, in this moment, at the moment, this morning, this year. The affirmative form is subject plus the auxiliary verb to be, are, or is, plus main verb plus ing. Main verb plus ing, we call them present participle. Okay? For example, I am teaching. Now I am teaching English. Okay? I am teaching. 4 spelling rules for adding ing. So let's see them. The first one, most verbs, we add ing in the end. For example, teach becomes teaching. Okay? The second rule is verbs ending in e. So we drop e and we add ing. For example, dance, we omit e, we drop it, and we add ing. Dance, dancing. The third rule, verbs ending in ie. We drop ie and we add y. Okay, we replace ie and we put y. For example, lie, lying. The fourth rule, verbs ending in consonant, vowel, consonant. In this case, we double the last letter. For example, stop, it becomes stopping. So stop, T-O-P, is consonant, vowel, consonant. We double the last letter, which is P. Stop becomes stopping. So let's practice. Verb to teach. I am or am teaching English now. I am or am teaching English now. That's what I'm doing now. Okay? Verb to dance. She is or she's dancing ballet right now. She is or she's dancing ballet right now. Verb to lie. He is or he's lying on the beach now. He is or he's lying on the beach now. Verb to stop. The bus is or it's stopping at the bus station now. The bus is or it's stopping at the bus station now. Verb to eat. They are or they're eating lunch now. They are or they're eating lunch now. Verb to read. He is or he's reading a book at the moment. If you see here, we use the adverbs now, at the moment, right now. Okay? So he is or he's reading a book right at the moment or right now. It's just the same thing. Verb to play. She is or she's playing chess now. She is or she's playing chess now. Verb to do. Students are doing their homework in this moment. Students are doing their homework in this moment. Summary. Present continuous at the affirmative form. It's subject, auxiliary verb to be plus present participle. The subject I, auxiliary verb to be am or I am, or am, present participle main verb plus ing. He, she, it, is or s, main verb plus ing. We, you, they, are or main verb plus ing. Okay, so this is the form of the present continuous in the affirmative form. Please try to learn it by heart, okay, because it's very important. Good luck and thank you for your attention, and see you soon.